gliding through the sea so blue. Snap their fins, now watch them sway. One splashes, whoosh, then two. Swim, swim, little sharks, around and around. Kick your tails and tap the ground. Open wide a friendly grin. Count with me and start again. Two little sharks gave Bubbles a chase. Bloop, bloop, Bubbles, up they go. One popped near a smiling crab's face. One more swam fast, then three we know. Swim, swim, little sharks, around and round. Kick your tails and tap the ground. Open wide a friendly grin. Count with me and start again. Three little sharks found a shiny shell. Let's share, they said, beneath the light. They played a tune like a ringing bell. Drifted with the moon so bright. Swim, swim, little sharks, around and round. Kick your tails and tap the ground. Open wide a friendly grin. Count with me and start again. Four little sharks saw a dancing ray. They twirled together, swoop and slide. One turned somersaults and splashed away. Now only three were side by side. Swim, swim, little sharks, around and round. Kick your tails and tap the ground. Open wide a friendly grin. Count with me and start again. Three little sharks met a school of fish. They chatted soft in ocean rhymes. One waved goodbye and made a wish. Then two swam off, chasing bys. One little shark sat near the shore, watching stars begin to peep. He yawned a yawn and counted more, and drifted off to dreamy deep. Swim, swim, little sharks, slow and small. Hush your fins, night covers all. Close your eyes and count by 10. Dream of seas and play again. Two little sharks curled in a curl. One curled up and said goodnight without copyright. Now only one glides like a pearl. He hums a tune beneath the light. Sleep, sleep, little shark, good and deep. Moon above will keep you sweet. Tomorrow we will count and play. Five little sharks will swim